Hey guys, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Blue Snowball. It's kind of an awkward angle, but got this for £40 off of Amazon. It's been used, or is being used at the moment, by quite a lot of YouTubers. My friend recommended it to me, and it's bigger than I thought actually. The microphone looks like it's all around it, but I think it only picks it up from the front. It's a nice design, and hopefully it will work for my Xbox recording and anything else that I need to use it for. You see some people down here using it just for Skype and music and something else. I don't know what that is. So let's get unboxing. That's good. I haven't broken anything. Jeez. I cracked it a bit. Here it is. The note's not coming out. Let's use gravity to try and get it out. Don't want to break it. This is the wire to connect it to the computer. This is the stand to keep it upright. Okie dokie, that was good. So this is the Snowball, and this is what goes into there and stands it up. So let's do that. That was lucky. Oh jeez. Oh, there we go. The Blue Snowball, and you can tilt it a bit. And now for the wire. Why would you put it this way? Chuck that way towards the bin. Now these annoying little white bits. Plug this in. I always plug it in the wrong way, the USBs. So that is ready to go, I think. Let's just read the manual. So it's good for podcasting. That's all good. System requirements fit the Mac, which is good. Macintosh setup. Where's sound? There it is. Input tab. Blue Snowball. Hello. Oh, it's already connected. That's cool. So, oh, was it not connected? Oh, it was just me being totally stupid. Funny. Okay, that's fine. Well, that's all good. If you want to put in the comments what that does, please put it in the comments, because I have no idea and I don't know why you would use it. A nice 2-page of blue. You have to turn it around this way though to read the other one. Oh right, it just goes upside down. Oh right, okay. So it's the opposite language. Well, that's done. I'm going to give a little sound test at the end of this. I'll see you then. Hey guys, so this is the voiceover. Hopefully it's okay. I didn't have a video to do this because I didn't know how to do it on iMovie, so I've just put a picture of the Snowball there. I hope this is alright volume, because I don't know yet, I haven't tested it. So I guess I'll see you in the next episode of GTA probably. I'm going to be recording today, so I'll see you then. Bye.